In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a brochure in Microsoft Word. Brochures are good ways of presenting a company or a project, as they can cover the casual reading window that someone is willing to offer a new set of information. Usually this is about a page. There is more than one way to create a brochure, and of course it can be said that the perfect brochure making is a craft yet to be attained. We'll present to you a fast, efficient way of adding credibility to your project or presentation using brochures. Prerequisites: Microsoft Word, a text document with your brochure information, Internet. Launch Microsoft Word and choose File, and then New. From the Office.com templates, choose Brochures and Booklets. Go to the Brochures folder and pick a template that you like from there. Word will download the template for local editing. Customize the text inside the brochure with the one you have prepared before. Bring your own photos if you have them. Click File. Print and examine the preview of each side. When you are satisfied with the result, click Print. You have successfully created and printed a brochure in Microsoft Word.
This was a howtech.tv tutorial. Leave your comment below or contact us by email. Thanks for watching.